Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can rename a Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder. Here you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to select and edit site. So before you click on select and edit site, go to the right next to the site name. And here you're going to find these three dots that says site actions. Go ahead and click on it. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these options. As you can see, guys, right here, you can rename the site. You can easily choose any name, any other name for your site. And then also you can change your site URL right here. And once you finish changing, don't forget to click on save to save all of your changes. You can also connect your own branded domain if you want by upgrading your plan firstly, and then you're going to be able to add your own branded domain. So right now, there is also some other options right here, like view live site. You can also view your site live. If you click on it, this will take you directly to your site and you can see it if it's live. Right here, you're going to find get feedback. You can transfer the site, add collaborators. If you want to give someone the permission to edit the site with you, here you're going to find the option to duplicate the site, move to folder, and lastly, move to trash. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.